Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. In this Monday meetup, we have some Volksrods. So check those out, some cool Volksrods in there. You got this one behind me and then a lot of other cool ones. So check those out. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy. Alright guys, thanks for joining me in another episode of Off Axis Builds. We got the 4,000 subs raffle coming up on July 14th. That'd be not this Wednesday, the following Wednesday. Obviously not this Wednesday because you're watching this video. So check it out. We'll see who the lucky winner is of that torque multiplier. And we'll figure out how to get that over to you as soon as we find out who the winner is. Alright guys, check it out. It'll be a live raffle. Really cool. And thanks again for all the subscribers have joined me on this project, my Jeep, and all the other DIYs that I've been doing. Keep following, hit that bell for upcoming notifications. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Alright guys, thanks for joining me on this virtual car show. It was a lot of fun, got a lot of cool cars. We got a lot more to come. Check it out next week, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that little bell for upcoming notifications. And remember guys, it's always built, not bought. See you in the next one, guys.